Tomorrow marks the 51st anniversary of me being on planet Earth. And until about 3 months ago, I was a little lost, a lot down, and had absolutely zero drive. I then found Coach in ADT. I am writing this testimony to express my gratitude. It is not even big enough. It's not even big enough words for the incredible journey that I have experienced within this community. Before joining this group of humans, I had no idea how to trade the stock market and was really struggling with Parkinson's disease and especially mental health. However, since I became a member, I have not only learned how to trade the stock market successfully, but also to become a better person. I now see my counselor only once every 2 months instead of every week. Coach and others also put their trust in me, which is probably the singular best thing that could have ever happened to me at that time for multiple reasons. Now, you have not only given me a new lease of life, the support and encouragement that I received from Chad Christian, Coach, the real coach, Mitch PW, Pastor Volsi, and the members of this community had been nothing short of amazing. They have been there for me through thick and thin, and I can confidently say that I feel reborn. The way they have helped me deal with the symptoms of Parkinson's disease has been awesome. I feel like I have regained control over my life, and I am forever grateful for that. The catalyst for this was listening to Pastor talk to me directly for about 10 minutes, about a week after I joined. I had literally have never heard anyone speak like that. And his word hit home hard. And from that point on, I have tried to change my life. The training and resources that I have received from this community have been amazing. Coach has implemented a well-structured and easy to follow set of rules, and he and the ADT family are always available to answer any question that I had or will have. I have some great friends here. Something that I thought would not happen to me again. I want to express my deepest appreciation to everyone for everything that you have done for me and Sarah. You have helped me to become such a better person. And as a bonus, I am able to trade the stock market with confidence. I would recommend this place to anyone at any time. Thank you all once again for everything that you have done for me.